Hey guys, I'm Angela.
I'm Celeste
from
A&C with a Twist.
One project in 4-H is farm scene.
In that project, you can make a realistic toy diorama of a farm.
You can use custom-built or manufactured farm toys in your project.
The recipe for this week is low-fat ranch dressing for salad.
We want to thank Cornell University Cooperative Extension for giving us this recipe.
Before we get started, make sure to try this recipe at home to earn your points for the Learn and Earn section.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel,
A&C with a Twist,
for more recipes.
Let's get started! For the ranch dressing, you will need 1 cup of non-fat or low-fat plain Greek yogurt.
Or you can use reduced fat sour cream or a mix of the sour cream and yogurt. You will also need half a cup of reduced fat mayonnaise.
You need half a cup of fat-free or 1% milk.
Lastly, you need half of a 1-ounce packet of ranch salad dressing mix.
First, we are going to whisk all of our ingredients in a bowl until they are well blended.
Dressing over our salad.
A good salad you can make can include romaine lettuce, leaf lettuce, and or spinach, but not iceberg lettuce.
You can also add raw veggies such as carrots, chickpeas, tomatoes, cucumbers, or whatever else you prefer.
Now our low-fat ranch dressing for salad is ready to serve.
Let's go try it!
We have our salad with our low-fat ranch dressing, and we're gonna try it. It kinda has a different taste than store-bought ranch, but in a good way.
This was delicious, and I definitely recommend that you try it.
And that was our low-fat ranch dressing for salad.
Make sure to try this recipe at home to earn your points for the Learn and Earn section.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel, A&C with a Twist, for more recipes.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.